Hello and welcome to the channel. We are continuing with long vowel A sounds. The sound of long vowel A is A. We have covered the words which end in E and how it tells us that the vowel A is producing long vowel A sound and not short vowel A sound. We have also covered the words which have two vowels together, and we know when two vowels are together, the first vowel will, in most of the cases, will produce its long vowel sound, and the other vowel will not produce any sound at all. So we have done these kind of words before, and we are going to repeat some of the more words of those kind of families. Now the first word that we have is name. Now we know this E is just telling us that the A here is producing its long vowel A sound. So no sound of E, it does not have any sound of itself, but it is just letting us know. So this A will be long vowel A sound. So this becomes na, A, ne, and then ending with m, not E. This will be name. What is your name? So we have done what we know is, we have done your, and now this is name. This is the most common used sentence. What is your name? So I hope you can read it now and you can write this sentence as well. What is your name? Next one is came. K sound produced by alphabet C. A. Why? Because there is E in the end. So came, no sound of E. Next one is sh. SH makes a sound of sh. Sh. A. Because there is E in the end. Shame, shame. So this is name, came, shame. These are the words which end in E, and this is how long vowel A sound is produced, not short vowel A sound. And now these are the words where we have AI. So again long vowel A sound will be produced and there will be no sound of the next vowel, which is I in this case. So this is the first one is na, A, ne, ending with l, nail. This is nail. These are nails. So nail. This one is male, your letter. M, A, may. No sound of I. So you move on to L. Male, male. The next one is sail. You sail the ship. S sound produced by alphabet S. Then A is the dominant vowel. S, A, say, ending with L. Sail. We have more words. Snail, tail, and so on. Now let's move to something new today. Now this is again another family where we have long vowel A sound. Let's do this. AY words. Now this is something very unique. Why? Because Y, alphabet Y, consonant Y, is producing the sounds of vowels sometimes. For example, say my. When you hear my, you hear I in the end. So again, we might, want to write MI, but no, it has Y. Now if I say very or happy, all of these words end in Y. Now when Y is in the ending of a word, it produces a vowel sound. So that's why sometimes we consider Y as a vowel also. Now if you remember the rule of AI, when we have two vowels together, the first sound will be the dominant one. Now if we consider Y as the vowel here, again A will be producing its sound. Let's see the words of AI family and understand it in a better way. Now if we remember AY, only A will be producing its sound, so no sound of Y. The, A, day. This is long vowel A sound, so day. How was your day? Day. The next one is starting with a, may. You may come to my house. May. and also the month May. So it will be capital because it's the name of a month. This one is may, may not, that may. S, alphabet S, S, A, say. What did you say? Say. And the next one is Ray. R sound produced by alphabet R. AY together will produce a sound of A. Why? Because Y is producing the vowel sound in most of the cases when it is in the ending. So A will be the long vowel sound because Y is acting as a vowel. When two vowels are together, the first sound of the vowel is most of the times producing the sound of long vowel. Here in this case A. So Ray. We have more words like this: clay, slay, and so on. I hope you understood how AY works and how Y works in the words when it is in the ending. This brings an end to our long vowel A sounds, and in the next lesson we will be covering up long vowel E sounds. So I hope all of the long vowel A words are clear to you. We will keep covering them in the sentences, and also we will be using the usual E alphabet words with E sound and how it impacts our long vowel sounds. I hope to see you in the next lesson very soon.